All right, my loves, last but not least on our bell work, we are going to look at our context clues. Now, last week we tried something new, and though it was amazing and we loved it, Miss McLemore and I both decided that it just took a little bit too much time to go over, and so we needed something that took a little bit less time. So that's going to start being part of our Tuesday routine, is the assignments like we had last week in bell work. So we kind of come back to what we had been doing with our context clues, and so this is the next part of it because it's kind of progressed on, where we were reading small sentences and then we were choosing A, B, C, or D, what we thought it was. Now we are coming up with what the word means, or what we think the word means, because remember, context clues is very similar to using inferences, because you are trying to infer what that word means based on how it is used in the passage. So it says, in order to maximize the limited amount of time I have for homework tonight, I am going to study in the car on the way to soccer practice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go back and reread that sentence, and I'm going to take the word maximize out, and then I'm going to see what thought or idea or phrase that I could put in place of that would help me to understand this sentence. In order to blank the limited amount of time I have for homework tonight, I am going to study in the car on the way to soccer practice. So I would say, in order to make the most of the limited amount of time that I have, that seems like that would be a good phrase to go there. So I'm going to put, in order to make the most of. All right, so now they want me to come up with my own sentence using the word maximize. So I would say, to maximize the amount of food comma, because that's a prepositional phrases, I used a measuring tool to serve the food. So if I had food and I had to kind of make sure that I had enough and I wanted to maximize that, then I would make the food, and then I may measure out how much everybody gets to kind of maximize that amount of food, or to make the most out of that amount of food. All right, can't wait to hear what you guys have written for that when I get back. And I'm going to go over one more thing in just a minute for you guys on your quiz, and then I'm gonna leave you to it for the day.